Eden Motor Group is a franchise dealer. We sell new and used vehicles to customers. We are in Newbury in Berkshire installing the Ohme chargers at site.
The Ohme ePod is a tiny little charger. When you need to charge, simply connect the cable in, connect to your car, and away you go.
We first contacted Ohme, who put us in touch with their partners, plug-in stations. They came out to do a site survey. Upon receiving the site survey report, we engaged them to come and install the two Ohme chargers. The guys are on site right now installing. The whole process has been very, very simple.
It's really important that we work with the right installers. They're the people that are meeting Ohme customers face to face. Working with the likes of plug-in stations is important. As a trusted growth partner, we know that customers are going to get the experience that we expect from Ohme.
We've noticed an increase in EV sales. We are moving many more units through our compound to sites, and here we want to try to charge all of the EVs going out the door to 80%, so that when they arrive on site, the dealerships don't have to spend hours charging before handing over to customers. The best cost-saving option is to have a charger on site or at home for the EV user. They can take advantage of the cheap energy policies and programs that companies like OVO and Octopus have. It just makes the whole ownership of an EV a lot easier and simpler for the masses.